Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin now by unlocking your iPhone and opening settings. This gets you where Vibrate controls live. Tap Sounds and Haptics because that panel controls ringtone, system haptics, and vibration patterns. You do this first so you can change both the ring state and the subtle haptic feedback. Once in Sounds and Haptics, note the ring/silent switch on the side and the vibrate on ring and vibrate on silent toggles. These two toggles determine whether your phone vibrates for calls and notifications. Now you toggle the two main vibration switches off, vibrate on ring and vibrate on silent, so your iPhone stops vibrating for incoming calls in both modes. Tap each toggle and watch it switch to gray. That visual confirmation matters. Then, make sure no custom vibration patterns remain active by checking ringtone and text tone vibration and selecting none. Once done, your phone won't vibrate for calls or texts, and you maintain audible alerts if the ring is on. This prevents duplicate alerts. Finish by testing. Ask someone to call or send you a message to confirm no vibration. If it still vibrates, restart your iPhone because a reboot clears temporary software glitches that can override settings. If restarting doesn't help, make sure focus modes or accessibility settings aren't re-enabling vibration. Check Settings Focus and Settings Accessibility Touch. As a last step, reset all settings to restore defaults. This keeps your data, but returns system options, which usually fixes persistent vibration issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.